Take off his tender, Adam.
Why?
Yeah, so he can run it smoothly. There. Go ahead.
Mama, you what? Papa?
I am. Look at this. Papa is still making a layout. While waiting for that new layout, Adam can play the spiral tracks with what? With a castle gate. There.
Yeah. I can have some thunder.
Yes, almost done. Look at Papa, Adam. Almost done here. We're almost done here. Turn it off.
I'll turn it off so it can get
Yes, Adam, look. That's a bridge tunnel. A bridge tunnel.
the tunnel for Thomas.
Yes, for Thomas and friends.
Train.
Yes, there you go. What? That is almost done. Wow. Wow, we got an icy bridge here. Wow. Icy mountain.
I'm gonna go this way.
Yes. That's
I'm
easy.
gonna get George and then he come in the own beach, okay?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna bring George and then he come in the beach, okay?
Okay.
Then this one here. There you go.
Done. Yeah, it's done.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
George is ready. Here.
Ready?
Yeah, he's ready.
Papa
now.
is done, look. Wow. There you go.
Wow.
Wow.
George going to go there and
Yes, okay, put this one too, Papa.
Hi.
There, look. Yes, Gordon. Is that Gordon?
No, it's Thomas.
It's number 1. It's Thomas.
Yeah.
The number 1 tank engine.
That's another
Yeah. Yes, that's an icy mountain.
one. Yeah. What?
And it's a bridge. Icy mountain bridge. Thomas, hello, you are under the tunnel.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mama, George is here.
George is there.
Yeah.
Huh? How come George is here? It's only Thomas and friends.
It's Thomas.
Yeah, right? Hey, George, stay away from me. Come on, Adam. What
Ta-da.
else? Yes, that's Thomas. Thomas, there you go. Wow.
Mama.
Ah.
George is picture.
Yes.
Yeah, he wants to get
Look at that. I love seeing Thomas running on the railway. It's non-stop. There you go. There you go. Oh, Papa, look. That's Dash. Dash is so fast.
Then he puts the key.
Oh, no. Dash is more faster than Thomas.
What the tree? It's a tree
Oh.
bird.
Put this on the railway.
Mama!
Yeah. Oh,
He
no.
turned that one. He turned that one.
Oh, Papa's still making it. Still building it. It's not done yet. No.
Mama.
Icy mountain bridge.
There's something in the mountain, Mama.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Come
Mama,
on.
you have to guess. Hey, Mama. Mama, you
Ah.
have to guess.
Oh my God!
Broken it.
Yes.
Some more, like itugtong, pwede naman itugtong.
Oh, yes, later. Okay. What's that?
Dash.
Das.
And Gordon.
Hello, Das. Who's that? Gordon and Thomas. Come here.
One. These are 2 and there's 3.
Okay. Let them run together. Wow. Wow. The 2 is coming. That's Thomas. That's Thomas.
What is it, Mama?
I don't know where's Das. What is Das doing in there? Yes. Thomas. Here comes Dash.
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 Guys, got rid away. There's
Okay,
traffic.
put them here.
There's traffic, Mama.
There's traffic. Put them
Yes.
here. Come on.
Because they can't go.
Oh my God.
My girlfriend can do it.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah. And
Yes, this is Flying Scotchman. What are you doing there?
he's going to do that.
Oh no! Wow. An ice is falling on the railway.
You can't go up.
Oh no, it can't go up because of that ice that fell. Okay, can you give me more? Bring Dash here. Ryan, Thomas, and Gordon.
Yeah, so they can.
Yeah.
Scotsman.
Yay!
So
Flying
you-
Scotchman.
Five Scotsman.
You're good to go. Okay. Yes. Yes. Oh,
Mama, there's somebody in the back.
who's it?
It is Dash.
Dash.
Yeah.
Oh my God, Dash. It's you again. Okay. I want Thomas here and Dash. They're more faster. He needs help. He needs help.
You
He
see
needs
Ryan?
help. Look at Ryan.
Yeah.
Ryan is pushing Flying Scotsman as usual, right? Yes. There you go.
Hey,
There you go. Whoa.
No, I don't need push. I don't need a push.
Good job, Ryan.
Somebody's stuck. It's Five Scotsman. So yeah, he's going away
Okay,
now.
go ahead.
No, Five Scotsman is going away.
Ryan's turn.
Ryan's turn.
Oh my God.
Ouch.
Hey Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Come on.
Mama.
Push Gordon. Come on. Push Gordon, Ryan.
Ow.
Oh, what happened there? Can you fix Ryan? There you go. Oh.
It's not finished.
What happened?
It did.
Let's finish this. Okay. Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa. I think that's Adam, look. I think that's it for today.
Bye. It's George saying bye.
George is saying bye. Okay. Bye to you, George.
Mama,
Say thank you.
bye. Watch this video. Subscribe. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.